Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I uploaded a video yesterday showcasing these new 1 ounce silver bars that I picked up. Now they've all arrived in 2 layers of plastic, so they've got this kind of Ziploc type bag, and then they've also got the mint sealed kind of plastic around them as well. Now, at first I thought this was like a kind of flip that you could just take it out, but on closer inspection, it is actually sealed all the way around, straight from the mint. Now, I put a video up saying, do you think I should remove these silver bars from their original mint packaging? And the video got mixed answers. Some people were saying, yes, release them, remove them, get them out of the plastic, release them into the wild. Some people were saying absolutely not. Once you remove them, they'll lose some of their value. They won't be as easy to resell for kind of the same sort of premiums that I paid. Now, I brought these 1 ounce silver bars in the first place. One, because they were the cheapest 1 ounce bars on the website that I was looking at. And two, because I wanted to add them to my YouTube stack. Now, these bars are already in my YouTube stack. And basically my YouTube stack is a separate stack that I have that I use to showcase on this channel. I don't mind if I throw it around a little bit. I don't mind if it gets little scuffs and chips here and there. That's the whole point of having the YouTube stack, so that I can showcase it on this channel and not have to worry about it getting fingerprints and all the rest of it. It's separate from my kind of main foundation stack, if you like. So I've got 5 of these bars in total. Now, I've decided I am going to release them into the wild. Like I said, that's the reason I brought these bars in the first place, because they were the cheapest 1 ounce bars on the website and I wanted them for the YouTube stack. So I'm going to continue with that now, and it might be a little bit painful for some of you watching me cut these bars out of their original mint packaging. So before I do it, let me know in the comments section, pause this video and let me know what you would do. If you had these bars like this in this sealed original mint packaging, what would you do? Would you keep them like that, or would you release them into the wild? Let's get into it. Now I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to damage the bars. So I've got a very sharp pair of scissors, and I'm going to take off a little bit by little bit until I get there. I think I've done it straight away anyway. There we go. So the first one being released. Wow, look how shiny it is. That is incredibly shiny. Look at that. Wow. Now, this just confirms that I've made the right decision to take it out of the plastic, because look at that. It is pristine. It is literally like a mirror. Look, you can see my phone through the top there recording. Absolutely. Wow, that is gorgeous. Let's add it to its friends there. There we go. First one done. Right, next one. I don't know if I want to do them all now, you know. I didn't realise how shiny. Look how the difference it is. Really can't appreciate how nice these bars are when they're in the plastic. I don't know if I've done the right thing or not here. Firstly, I think I've done the right thing because I can really appreciate its true beauty. But part of me thinks that I want to keep them looking that nice. But come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's no regrets and all that. So we're going to do the next one now. Let's get this one released into the wild as well. There we go. Look at that. Look at that bar. It is so shiny. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous bar. I didn't realise how shiny these were. Because not only is this plastic obviously stopping them from looking as shiny, but also it must be kind of, it can't be completely clear plastic, because you don't get nowhere near as much shine as you do when you take them out. Another one released to the wild. Now I think I'm going to do one more, and then I think I'm going to stop the video there and read through some of your comments and see if you would like me to continue with the other two, because obviously once you cut them out the mint factory seal, there is no putting them back in this seal. And also, as soon as you've taken them out and touched them a little bit and stuff like that, you're going to start getting fingerprints on them and all the rest of it. So now, don't get me wrong, I could transfer these into capsules if I wanted to, but like I said, the whole point of getting these bars in the first place was to add them to the YouTube stack, to have some more silver to throw around and make videos with. I think I'm just a little bit shocked about how nice these look. I didn't expect them to be so reflective and so pristine, especially when, like I said, these were the cheapest 1 ounce bars on the site. I just didn't expect them to have that kind of almost like proof shine mirror finish. So there we go. Now, like I said, I'm going to stop the video there because I'm going to read your comments and see if you think I should continue with this crazy this crazy chaos with these scissors. So yeah, let me know what you think. Should I keep these two? Maybe I keep these two sealed. Maybe these two go into the foundation stack, the main stack, and we keep these two factory sealed, and then forget about those. And then we've still got 3 more 1 ounce bars to add to the YouTube stack to showcase. Just makes me think, I reckon these ones might have started off like that, you know. Look at those, how kind of scratched they are and everything. I think maybe these started off like that once upon a time. I bought these on the pre-owned market, so I don't know how they were when they first came out, but I'm guessing if anyone's got any of these, let me know. I'm guessing they started off with that same mirror finish once upon a time, so you can see how they're going to end up. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video. I hope that wasn't too painful to watch for those of you that commented on the last video saying don't take them out. And like I said, I've kept 2 here. I've kept these 2 back. Let me know what I should do. Should I release them to the wild, or should I keep those 2 like that? As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a nice day.